Alright, I am in a 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. It does have a battery monitor system. I just put a brand new battery in here, and the battery that was in here was not a factory battery. There's no way of programming the vehicle to actually charge a battery the way the factory has a data set to keep it charged. So it defaults to a minimum charge. This battery was from like 10 of 22, and it was a Super Start Extreme. I think it's like an O'Reilly's battery or something like that. That battery's already dead. Literally 10 minutes sitting in the stall with the key on it, died. Barely any warning at all, and just flat on its face dead. So I got it on the repair cycle right now. I went ahead and put a new VW battery in here, and I want to walk you guys through the process of doing it. This is the Kingbolen K8. This is a K8 Pro. This was just sent to me, and I have the K10, which is a bigger screen, bigger scan tool, and probably can do a few more functions. I got to figure out what the differences are. But in this scan tool, there's something called battery matching. 19 data bus interface. Turn on the ignition before matching battery. So at this point, I have it on. It's not running. We're going to go into it. You have to hit read fault codes. It's going to give you battery management, battery supply too low. That's fine. Clear fault codes. No fault codes present now. No fault code stored in memory of control module, then will continue to perform the function. Current battery parameter, and this is where the information needs to be input. We're going to go to configure new battery parameter. This is what was there before. Bunch of mumbo jumbo. I think the computer kind of put whatever it needed to put in there because the battery that was installed in the vehicle wasn't an original equipment battery, and it didn't know it goes into default mode. Configure new battery parameter. Select or input new battery manufacturer. We know that this is a, let's look real quick. Alright, we have the information that we need inputted now. It's a 68 series battery, 68AH. The battery manufacturer is a VAO. The serial number was the numbers after the VAO. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits. 141223 N121. So the battery serial number, you will only put the numbers and not the VAO before it. It is a glass fiber battery, and then you go to matching new battery parameter. Battery matching succeeded. Okay. Do you need to clear the fault code and read the fault code again? No. Now at this point, what we can do is we can go back into battery matching, data bus interface, hit OK. Read fault codes, no fault codes, OK. Go to the next step, yes. Current battery parameter, and it's going to tell us our information that we just put in there. And now the battery is programmed. And it will maximize how it charges the battery, reading the amperage input that it actually puts in, and kind of like temperature and everything else that's going on. Alright guys, take care. Be blessed. Thanks for watching. This is the Kingbolen K8 Pro. Great scan tool. Amazing.